Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. You know, we get caught up spending a lot of time on our phones, checking messages and, seeing what's going on in the world. And I don't know about you guys, but I do a lot of research on my channel, and when I get the information, I like to share it with you guys. And sometimes I get so caught up where I don't even have time to take a coffee break. Literally. I'm on this platform from 6 o'clock in the morning till 12 midnight, sometimes even later. But starting a YouTube channel is not the easy thing. It is a lot of stress and a lot of work, and sometimes you get burnt out, and sometimes you need somebody to come along and say, hey Rich, take a breather, literally. So when you feel stressed out like that, folks, take a walk, ride a bike, feel relaxed when you're doing your videos. It's going to pay off in the long run. But I just wanted to share it with you guys. Good luck, and I wish you all the best. Thanks.